Welcome! If you've ever missed an important moment on Discord because you didn't hear when you unmuted, today's video is for you. I'll show you, step by step, how to enable notification sounds for unmute on the Discord app for PC using the latest update. Let's make sure you never miss a beat in your conversations again. First, make sure your Discord app is open on your PC. If you haven't already, log in to your account so you can access all your settings. Now, look towards the bottom left corner of your Discord window. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to that, there's a small gear icon. This is your user settings. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're inside the user settings menu, you'll notice a list of categories on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Click on it to open your notification preferences. Inside the Notifications section, you'll see various options for customizing how Discord alerts you. Look for the subsection called Sounds. This is where you can turn on or off different notification sounds for actions like message pings, joining calls, and more. Now, find the option labeled Unmute. This setting controls whether Discord plays a sound when you unmute your microphone during a call or voice chat. To enable this, simply click the toggle switch next to Unmute. When it's enabled, the switch will turn a different color, indicating that the sound is now active. That's it. From now on, every time you unmute yourself in a Discord call, you'll hear a notification sound. This is especially helpful for making sure you're aware when your mic is live so you can jump right into the conversation without missing a second. If you ever want to turn this sound off, just follow these same steps and toggle the switch back. Discord's updates make it easy to customize your experience. So take a moment to explore the other notification sounds while you're here. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tech tutorials. See you in the next video.